Okay, so we're looking at this Gonia 20-inch CRT television here. So yeah, these TVs are very old now. You're probably not going to see them anywhere. Most of them have been dumped into landfill. This one here was one of the later model small TVs. Comes with its own speakers incorporated in the TV. Otherwise, it's pretty much just your average TV, low quality hardware. Pretty straightforward strip here, separating the front half from the back half. TV yields only a few really useful scrap components, mainly being the copper, the wire, power board, and maybe a little bit of scrap steel. Yeah, so it's pretty unfortunate that most of the weight's in the screen, and that really can't be salvaged anyway. In fact, there's quite a lot of waste created from these TVs. You've got plenty of plastic, you've got the parts of the yoke, some kind of magnet, and then the main part being the screen element. Job took about 30 minutes. I was trying to be meticulous about getting every piece of wire possible. I'm very surprised that power boards aren't worth much. Seems like if there's different kind of metals, usually some one or two copper wire components. Strange that they're not worth much. Sometimes there's chips and a lot of these other transistors, but not a lot of value placed on that kind of thing. Yeah, shame about this small board PCB, worthless. So I wasn't able to, at the time of this video, sell many of the components. I had somebody who could take the copper, but no one to take any of the wire or the power board. So those had to remain with me. And I think it was a pretty good scrap for a 30-minute job. Everyone wants copper these days, so if you can find something small to scrap, you get quite a bit out of it. Some of the pieces of scrap steel mixed in with the plastic components were able to be dumped into my dirty steel pile, and the remainder went to the recycling station. So hopefully they found a way to make use of all the unsalvageable components. So the end result was 292 grams of copper, or about 10 ounces, from a 20-inch CRT television.